My garage is underground and I often face a situation where there is no lighting, so I often look in the dark for a keyhole to open the gate. I decided to make this process more comfortable and implement keyhole illumination from improvised means. Let's start development with electrical circuit modeling. I'm using Proteus to simulate an electrical circuit. I adjust the lamp glow time to a value of 10 to 15 seconds by selecting the values of the resistor R6 and capacitor C3. Let's test this model in a real electrical circuit and check how much the circuit consumes in the off state. The results are excellent. The circuit does not consume anything when the LEDs are off. I found some plexiglass in the pantry. Let's see how the engraving on plexiglass is illuminated using LEDs. Right now I only have red and green LEDs. And I chose red LEDs for my craft, because it has higher brightness. Next, using a sheet of paper and a pencil, I sketched out the keyhole. After determining the dimensions, proceed to the markings on the plexiglass. Now we are preparing the engraver for work, because further work on trimming plexiglass will be performed by him. The next step is to cut the plexiglass. We form rings from it with the simplest engraving. Ring dimensions: outer diameter 40 mm, inner 10 mm. This is the size of the keyhole. The next step is to model the front panel of the case, which will act as an overlay for the keyhole. Now, let's print the drawn models. This time I decided to use the rest of the filament, so the details will be in places of different colors, but it turned out even better than I originally expected. What do you think? Write the answer in the comments. Well, let's remove the supports and see what we got. It's time for the electronics. Let's assemble the previously modeled circuit on a breadboard. The main goal is to minimize the space required while maintaining the quality of the installation. The circuit is ready. Let's check if it works or not after soldering. Behind the scenes, I changed one transistor. The old Soviet radio electronics break down very easily. It's okay, I didn't buy it specifically for the project. Do you see it? Yes, it works. It's time to finish with the front panel. Let's solder the LEDs, button and cable. After soldering is completed, check that all LEDs are on and the turn-off delay circuit is working. Connect the power supply and check that the whole circuit is working correctly. Excellent result. At the push of a button, the light turns on and stays on as long as the button is pressed. When the button is released, the light will automatically go out after about 10 seconds. Well, now I can start assembling the front panel. Let's show you a little preview. Now you will see how it will look in the dark. It's time to make a case for batteries and electronics. To do this, I had to return to the garage and take additional measurements. And now I can model and print the case. I removed the remnants of the filament and supports, and started assembling. I skipped the process of setting the lights on the gate, but now I can show the final result. At the time of the creation of the video, this craft was already needed twice due to blackouts. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in such content, do not forget to subscribe.